All right, we have a challenge for everybody out there. We have a dare for everybody out there. And we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so a challenge. What exactly am I talking about? Well, let's back up here just a couple of days. I did a video about Christmas cards for Carnival crew members, and I'll link to the video up here just in case you haven't had a chance to see that. And basically the idea is Carnival is asking for any volunteers, people that want to send in Christmas cards for their crew members. They're looking to get around 25,000 cards. Well, naturally, I want to participate in this. I'm going to send in some Christmas cards. However, I thought I would put a little challenge out there involving these Christmas cards. Now, our 1-year channel anniversary is coming up this November on the 26th. So what my challenge is going to be, for every single subscriber that we have on November the 26th, 2021, that is going to be the number of Christmas cards that I will personally mail into Carnival Cruise Lines. So as of right now, as the time we are filming this video, we have 1,975. So if, let's just hypothetically say nobody else subscribes, then I'm going to send Carnival 1,975 Christmas cards, one for each of our subscribers. So this is my challenge. How high can we make that number go by November the 26th? So hit that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed to this channel, hit that button. Look, it's free to do so. Isn't going to cost you anything, but it is going to have me send Carnival even more Christmas cards if you hit that button. Now, I went this morning and bought some Christmas cards to get this process started. I already have, now this is only 110 that we picked up this morning and filled out just to kind of get an idea of how long it would take us. So this is just a tiny piece of that pie. But like I said, just to show I'm serious, I've got 110 already ready to go. And then after November the 26th, we're going to put them all in one big box and we're going to bulk mail them right out to Carnival Cruise Lines. So that is my challenge. That is my dare. Is that if you want to see how many Christmas cards we can have to send to Carnival this year, hit that subscribe button. Join our channel. And as I said, on November the 26th, when we do our 1-year channel anniversary show, I will show you guys all of the Christmas cards. Because believe me, just to get the 1,900 that we have right now out, we're going to be writing these Christmas cards every day because we are hand writing them. So, like I said, the challenge is out there. The dare is out there. Let's see who wants to help us make a happy holidays for Carnival Cruise members. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.